How to change LinkedIn username on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change LinkedIn username on Android phone. First open LinkedIn and now just click on your profile here in the top corner and then click on your profile, and now just scroll down. Click this pen icon here, and here we'll find your name. Just click on it and here you can change it. Just type anything you want here and then click save, and as you see your username have been changed, and that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.